assembly for middle school, another student senate meeting,
and today marks an important anniversary of an event we won't soon forget.
plus some seniors are getting a day off soon.
Those items and more coming up to you on your update for Thursday, September 28th.
Right now.
Welcome back, Sense. Well, the first thing we have today is that today is the 1-year anniversary of Hurricane Ian.
The storm cost many lives, caused over $109 billion in damage, and kept us out of school for 3 weeks.
Well, that's a storm we won't soon forget.
Heads up, high schoolers. If you didn't get a homecoming ticket, the front office has managed to get some more for you.
If you are on the wait list, go to the front office now. Get out of class and purchase your ticket.
Well, moving on, Monday morning, middle school will meet in the gym for a special assembly with the local division of Samaritan's Purse.
Middle school teachers should bring their class to the gym at 8:25 so they can start on time. We will not be on a different schedule due to high school not attending.
Next up, also on Monday, there will be a high school student senate meeting during lunch in room 244.
One more thing before we send it off to sports. Next week on Wednesday, there will be a class shirt day for high school and middle school.
Well, now let's see what sports has for us.
Thanks, guys. There were no games last night because it was Wednesday, but
It'll be neon night for the home football game tonight against Lakeland Christian at 7:15.
also the volleyball game for tonight against Gateway Charter was moved to Friday at 6 p.m. at home.
Middle school golf will be playing at Village School at home at 3:30, while the varsity golf team will be on the road to Aubrey Rogers and will start at 4.
Middle school volleyball will be on the road to FBA, with the JV team starting at 4 and the varsity team at 5.
Well, that's all from us, so let's send it back to you guys for the final announcements.
Thanks, guys.
Heads up, seniors, for anyone who's signed up for the SAT with no writing, it is October 11th.
But if you didn't sign up, you will be getting the day off for a visit a college day.
Well, that's all for today. See you, Sense.